Hello everyone, it's Leigh here. Welcome back to day 6 of my July Junk Journal Challenge for 2025. The prompt for today is one colour. So before I start, I want to say welcome to anyone who's new here and thanks to everyone who has been playing along. Really appreciate your support. And there's been some beautiful work being produced. I really love it. So check out the playlist. So hashtag is JJJC2025. In my video description box is a link that'll take you to all the channels that are playing along with me. Okay, so one colour that really I have a love-hate relationship is orange. I love oranges, and I love pumpkin, and they're both orange. And I love goldfish, which are actually orange. And I love marigolds, which can be orange. And everything. There's lots of things that are orange that I really like. And sometimes the colour, I really like it. And then other times it just, as I said, I either love it or I hate it. So I thought that I would bite the bullet and make my page today about orange. All about orange. So I've got various bits and pieces that I've been gathering together. So the first thing I want to do though, and this is going to really make you wonder whether I've lost my sanity, I'm going to paint my page black because they go well together, orange and black. A lot of those images that I just showed you and that I'm going to put into this came out of a feng shui book, and so it's orange seems to be a fairly dominant colour. Another colour that does the same thing to me, and I've got a feeling it's warm colours, because yellow and red. You won't see me using a lot of yellow and red. I've got a few things here that I can use in my little ode to orange, such as it will be. These things looked orange, but I think they're yellow, so they can go away. I found some nice orange butterfly stickers. I hate stickers, so I'm happy to get rid of them. Got me bits and pieces here, some oranges and a bird. I'm not sure about what I'll do with this. Well, I've got it folded in half, so maybe I'll fashion it into a pocket of some sort. So orange, that's an impossible colour to ignore, isn't it? It's bold and vibrant, full of energy, but at the same time it can be beautiful, like if you think of a sunset or autumn leaves, flowers, orange flowers, love them. It's also the colour of ripe mangoes, mandarins and oranges, of course, and pumpkins, of course. Love my pumpkin soup in winter. But it can be loud, even overwhelming. Like sometimes it's like too much. That's probably why I've got a love-hate relationship with it. Sometimes it feels like the life of the party, or it just won't sit down and shut up. And I think you can't go past oranges. I'm going to cut the bowl away. I was going to keep the bowl, but I'm going to get rid of it. It's taking up too much room. Maybe I can leave some of it on there. Have a look. Maybe if I do that. Okay, I can take my oranges off the edge of the page if I do that. So they can sit down the bottom there. So I'm going to pop that compass there and then have this little orange boat down there. I might cut a bit more of that off. Pop that there because the boat and the compass sort of go together, don't they? Let's put this here. I'll sit the bird on top of the orange. Must be a small bird. And then these butterflies, which I don't want to put on the page at the moment because they're shiny. They're actually clear stickers, but they can be flying around all over the place. And some of them are more orange than others. And then this thing, I'm going to put my butterflies over here and then turn this into some sort of pocket. My butterflies could be on there, couldn't they? Especially these darker ones. So I think that's what I'll do. I just had another thought. I could hinge this so it flips out like that. And then there could be a butterfly hiding underneath. I want to do some writing on this. Done one colour, so I've made this all about orange, and I've painted my pages with black gesso, then put my little composition on top. Well, I wrote on it and then put my composition on. Made this bit of paper into a pocket by folding it in half, putting a little thing there, glued the sides and then hinged it, so it's just overlapping the other side there. And I was going to put the bird on top of the oranges, but I changed my mind, put it up there. And I'm going to call that done. I really like this because I really love the combination of orange and black together. That's a bit shiny. That's okay. I hope you like that. Let me know in the comments what you think of it and what is your one colour that you have a love-hate relationship. So I'll see you on day 7 tomorrow for Stamp It. So yeah, plenty of things we could do with that. So have fun in your craft room. Don't forget to check out the playlist. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. Leave a comment, give me a thumbs up, give everybody else a thumbs up as well. Don't forget the Facebook group is now private. You just got to join or request to join. It doesn't cost anything. It just means that I need to go through and approve just to protect everybody's privacy and information. And see you tomorrow. Hugs and cheers from Australia. Hooroo.